I still can't wrap my head around this weird thing.
If it's about waking up early, I give up too.
Exactly. Why can't I drag myself out of bed on workdays, no matter what, but on weekends I naturally wake up at 6 a.m.? Like there's an alarm clock running in my blood?
Your body must be hacked. Operating system glitch. Need sleep? Wide awake like a lark. Need to wake up? Dead to the world.
I swear I didn't set any alarm this morning.
And you still woke up? You're a superhero.
Yeah. So, early the bird in the park gave me this look like, dude, are you lost or what showing up this early?
Meanwhile, I hit snooze 3 times and still lay there another 10 minutes.
So, how did you even make it here?
Because I remembered someone promised to buy coffee. The coffee is the real motivation. Nature is just a bonus.
I'm starting to question our friendship now.
Relax. If you don't buy coffee, I'll still be your friend, but I'll be really sad.
Sad how?
Sad, like telling the whole park you're stingy.
Fine, I'll keep buying coffee to protect my good reputation.
What time did you wake up?
6 o'clock.
I hate that number 6 so much because it only shows up on weekends.
But the park in the morning is so beautiful.
Beautiful? Sure. But my bed is even better warm blanket. No birds, no wind, no sun, just pure comfort.
So the blanket beats nature hands down.
Absolute victory. No contest.
I think people fall into 2 categories.
Which ones?
The kind who love waking up early and the kind who hate it with a passion.
I'm clearly the second one.
I used to think I was too, until my body betrayed me.
Maybe you're just getting old.
Say it quietly, that hurts.
Age isn't scary at all.
Then what is?
Naturally, waking up early on the weekend, that's the real nightmare.
And I'm living it right now.
Look at that runner flying.
Must have woken up at 5. Iron discipline, or chased by a deadline.
Deadlines don't run that fast. They only sprint inside your head.
I woke up early and did what? Lay there wondering why I woke up early.
How long did that last?
About 20 minutes. Then I tried to sleep again but failed, so I just stared at the ceiling praying sleep would come back.
Did the ceiling staring trick work?
0 effect. In the end, I accepted my fate and came out here.
Are you trying to sell me on waking up early?
Maybe. But I already know it's not working.
My bed has a long, beautiful history, countless perfect mornings sacrificed to it. A happy relationship, not a toxic one.
I think weekends need a law.
What law?
No one allowed to wake before 8 a.m. Violators buy coffee for everyone else.
Great law, but you just find yourself.
I didn't think that far ahead.
Anyway, thanks for dragging me out. Otherwise, I'd still be sleeping like a baby.
Sounds good, right?
It does, but coffee tastes even better.
Next week, I'm not waking up early anymore.
You say that every week is this time for real?
Dead serious. If I wake up early, I won't call you.
That's your third sigh in 5 minutes?
I'm just replaying the work week. It's straight up horror movie material.
Any monsters?
Yeah, one named Deadline.
The most familiar monster of all.
Monday, I open my computer, 12 emails. Only 2 matter. The rest are pointless, reply all. I read 3 lines. Scroll down hoping for something interesting. Nothing.
Did the boss give you a new task?
Yeah, told me, be creative. I did, and he said, not that kind of creative. I still have no idea what kind he wants.
The most important office skill is reading your boss's mind. Whoever masters that gets promoted instantly.
Tuesday 2-hour meeting. Actual content 10 minutes. The rest just, will consider more carefully, need more time. Conclusion. Meet again next week.
Did you say anything?
I agree. I had no clue what I was agreeing to, but everyone nodded, so I nodded too. Classic survival move. Wednesday, I open a huge Excel file, and the computer freezes for 5 minutes. I just sit there, praying the file doesn't vanish. Thursday at 5 p.m. The boss messages. Report done. Deadline. 5:30. I reply, finalizing, while I've just opened the file and start typing at warp speed when I read it back even. I don't understand it.
What about Friday?
Everyone's mentally checked out from morning, moving like turtles. Work's still there, but everyone's thinking, tomorrow's the weekend.
Office life is basically energy management. Monday, open emails. Tuesday, meetings. Wednesday, fix stuff. Thursday, chase deadlines. Friday, battery dead.
But I still love this weekend. No emails, no meetings, no deadlines, just coffee and this stone bench.
If the park opened a branch inside the office, everyone would move out here.
I once considered quitting to become the park's bird feeder. No emails, no Excel, and at least the birds don't send deadlines.
But you're actually good at your job. If you sucked, you'd have way more free time to complain.
Today I've decided, no thinking about work. Only coffee and food.
Brilliant decision. Weekends off to a perfect start.
At least here nobody says, reply all.
Don't say it so loud, someone might be mentally preparing a meeting right now.
Then, I'll just pretend I'm a tree.
Do you see the contradiction? We're in the park where people come to exercise, yet here we are eating cake.
That's called life balance. They run, we rest. Someone has to handle the easy part. I once decided to lose weight starting Monday. Then Tuesday, a colleague brought cake. I thought about it for 3 seconds and politely ate the whole thing.
I tried dieting too, the plan said salad. I finished it and was still hungry, so cake became the main course and salad was just the starter.
The real enemy of weight loss is delicious food, especially at night when willpower is asleep but the fridge is wide awake.
Look at that runner so fast, he must have started training in January.
If I ran 1 lap, I'd need 2 days to recover. I'm realistic. I tried the gym for 3 days. Day 1, super motivated. Day 2, sore. Day 3, just staring at the machines. Day 4, canceled my membership.
The funny thing about gyms, veterans lift weights like they're water bottles, while you lift water bottles like they're weights.
I downloaded a step counter app goal, 10,000 steps. I hit 2,000, then went to bed because sleeping felt amazing.
My theory. Everyone trains hard in January. By March, the gym is empty and spacious. By June, only the trainer and his dreams remain.
I want to get fit without actually exercising much. Sitting in a chair and still losing weight, that's the invention the world needs.
Every time I say, starting tomorrow, I'll eat healthy. That same night, I throw a huge goodbye party for all my favorite junk food.
Should we walk 1 lap around the park?
The shortest one that passes the coffee shop, right?
Master strategist. But I just ate, so let's rest 30 minutes first.
Our real goal isn't losing weight, it's enjoying the weekend. Good food, good rest, a little complaining, and great coffee.
I couldn't agree more. Just fewer deadlines, fewer alarms, and way more cake.
If every weekend was like this, life would be pretty perfect.
Should we run?
No way. Someone has to stay here and guard the bench for fairness.